Hi everyone, welcome back to TechFix Mehtab. In this video, I will show you how to hide your Facebook ID from search so no one can find your profile easily. It is super easy, so watch till the end and do not forget like, subscribe and share for more Facebook tips. First of all, you open the Facebook app and here you can see the three-line option, so click on it. Then here you can see the settings option, so click on it, and here settings and privacy option, so click on it. Settings and privacy, so click on it. Then here you can see the how people find and contact you, so click on it. Then here you can see the people with your email address, so click on this option. Here you select the no one option, no one, so click the save option. Then here you can see the people with your phone number, so click on it. Then here you click the no one option, then click the save option. Here you can see the do you want search engines outside of Facebook to link to your profile, so off this option. So this is the method. Please do not forget to like, share and subscribe for more Facebook privacy and social media tips.